Hello everyone, welcome to my bathroom. Let's do a little get ready with me. Already done my skincare routine. I've applied my sunscreen, but I'm just applying this Somerset Moss facial balm to my lips. I have been loving the way this makes my lips look. They feel so hydrated, and I usually apply this balm at night as like a nice finishing layer, and it's so good. So I just did my hair, I've clipped it back, and we are going to get right into the makeup. I have my brushes, makeup case, and I have my tart cherry juice with club soda and my Asian Nature Holy Radiance. So good. Also just got my nails done yesterday. I was rocking the burgundy for a while, but now I have this stunning bright red, and I'm loving the short nails lately. I just feel, I don't know, just love a short nail. Going to add a little bit of glow, and for that I'm going to use first my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Primer. I'm gonna focus that on the center of my face and then work it out. We all are about the super hydrating look. So I just posted my week 3 video for my 12-week glow up challenge, and I have actually completed week 3. I'm now into week 4, but I'm posting the videos as I'm completing the week. But yeah, let's talk about some of my progress, some of the updates. First of all, the uploading schedule for my YouTube. I have really been loving posting this frequently, like just filming content for you, and I have been like on a like flow of just creativity. I think I'm really embodying my feminine energy when it comes to the flow of all these creative ideas coming to me, but then like my masculine energy is helping me be productive and get the filming done and uploaded. So it's been such a synergy of the two together. I actually have a video planned that's all about how to be productive using your masculine energy for that. So stay tuned. I have so many videos coming up that I'm super excited about. So like I said, that one, I also have a video all about quiet luxury beauty trends and beauty tips. And then I also have one about lucky girl syndrome. My luck, you guys, has been so on fire. I just feel like I've been embodying this lucky girl energy, and I have lots of thoughts and tangible tips that I've been using that have really just changed my life over these last 3 weeks. So I'm going to share those all with you in some upcoming videos. So I applied the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in the shade Too Fair, and with my Westman Atelier liquid blender brush, I'm just going to blend that all out. Been loving this filming schedule and really just creating and uploading a bunch of videos for you all. So I'm aiming to do 2 a week. Sometimes it's 1 a week, just depending on how my work schedule is flowing. But if I can get 2 a week, I'm just really happy with that schedule. And like I said, I have so many ideas flowing that I'm really motivated and excited to film and share with you guys. Now for the hair journey, of course you can probably tell from my last video, my most recent video, that I colored my hair dark brown. I have been loving it. I feel like the integrity of my hair, like it's just at its maximum. It has already grown so much. Like I just cut it 3 weeks ago and it is so long and healthy. Like I'm shocked. So I have lots of thoughts. I just shared like my basic foundational knowledge with you, but I'm going to go into more depth in a future video. So my hair has been thriving. I cannot wait for the end of the 12 weeks to see where we are at. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Concealer. This is in shade 3.75. I just do some dots under my eyes. And for my skin, literally glowing, and I have a full new skincare routine that I cannot wait to share with you. I'm going to do a full morning and nighttime skincare routine on the channel. I'm just blending that out. Hourglass foundation brush, I believe. I'm obsessed with these brushes. And the other thing that I've been doing that I really think has completely boosted my mood, improved my sleep, improved my confidence is working out and moving my body and eating well. I've actually also stopped drinking for the most part. I will have like a glass of wine here and there, but I do not have any desire to have alcohol, really. So, oh my gosh, my sleep has been so good. My skin has been clear. I am noticing those physical changes in my body as well. Like everything's looking leaner and more toned, and I'm gonna share, once I'm a little bit closer to my goal physique, everything that I've done and I'm doing to get that dream body and how I achieved it. I am seeing that progress, but I do want to wait until we're a little bit further along before I dive into everything that I've been doing. But I've even noticed that my facial structure is just more defined and toned. If you want to know all about what I've been doing to help sculpt my jawline and reduce that double chin, I have a video that I posted week 2, or was it week 1? My week 1 video, I'll share that up here and also down in the description box below. So let's talk about some of the challenges that I have faced while doing this, because of course there are going to be challenges. I have been using my planner, which has significantly helped me kind of keep on track of like what it is that I am doing and what I need to do more of. And I notice on the days that I work a day shift, which is like 7:30 in the morning to 7:30 p.m. at night, I like really am totally thrown off of my schedule and everything that I want to do. So that is something that I've noticed in my schedule, and I've kind of just come to accept that there might be like a full rest day for like 1 to 2 times a week where a lot of the things that I would typically do every single day I don't get done. And I think for me, like with wanting to really glow up in a matter of 12 weeks and do like that full 180, it can sometimes be hard to accept that you're allowed to have those like rest days or those days off where you don't do it all. And that is a very like masculine state of energy to be in, is where like you're just constantly go, super goal oriented, very task oriented. And while that is really helpful in that first initial period where you're really trying to flip between being lazy and being productive, eventually it gets exhausting and it can lead to burnout and extreme fatigue. So I am embracing my feminine energy, which is all about flow, creativity, letting, you know, the universe do its thing. So it's all about balance. So I've been loving doing my bronzer kind of like along the hollows of my cheek and then bringing it down a little bit. It's fun playing around with your contour a little bit differently. So I'm doing that contour. And then let's do some blush. I'm gonna use this blush by Ilia. It's the Tenderly Multi-Stick. And it's like a nice bright pink. This just gives me really girly vibes. You know, I feel like ever since I have dyed my hair dark, I'm in my Blair Waldorf era. That is the energy I'm embodying, like the girly makeup. So it's funny, I was watching this like series on YouTube that it's all about like embodying certain it girl characters, and Blair Waldorf is definitely one for me. I especially like the Paris episodes. Oh my god, that's like iconic. If you want a video where I talk about how to embody your Blair Waldorf, or like live like Blair Waldorf for like a day, or like how to incorporate Blair Waldorf energy and style into your everyday life, let me know in the comments. I feel like that'd be kind of like a fun concept to do. As I am doing that in my life, I thought it'd be super easy to create that video. So that blush is incredible. I love that, and I think I might even enhance it a little bit more with a powder blush after. And then for setting under the eye, Voile Rosé, and this is the most incredible powder. It really just like sets everything into the most silky, satiny finish, and then it also helps to illuminate and brighten. I take a nice small fluffy brush and pat that under my eyes. So I'm actually going away to Mont Tremblant this weekend, which is super exciting. We're doing a little road trip, so we're getting all of our preparations done. And I've got a lot of videos and stuff to film before we leave because I won't really have the opportunity to film while we're there. If I'm lucky, I might actually do a get ready with me. And then I might also do a little weekend getaway pack with me where I just share some of the cosmetics and toiletries that I bring on a weekend trip. So stay tuned for that. Hopefully I'll get around to filming that because it's a lot of crunch time. Like I have a lot of stuff to do in the next day and a half. I just picked up a new eyebrow pencil and I tried it yesterday and I really like it. And because I have this darker hair, I needed a suitable eyebrow color. So this is the Hourglass Arch Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in the shade Soft Brunette. And I much prefer the really thin micro pencils over the thicker ones like that Westman Atelier has. I just find that it looks more natural for me and a little bit softer. Like, oh, it's giving. I love it. I'm also wearing these cutie pie little hair clips that say GRWM, get ready with me. So I thought that was super appropriate for today's video. And I got these from G Beauty, which is the cutest beauty spot in Toronto. And I bought them in store, but you can buy them online too. I like purchasing a lot of my skincare and wellness products from them. They carry Itch Nature, they carry Dr. Barbara Sturm. Those are really the main ones that I purchase. Crown Affair, a couple other things. So there are the brows. Like this is such a good shade match for me with the new hair. I'm like loving it. And then we're going to set them with the Merit Brow Gel, which is just the clear one. I don't know if they have tinted ones. Like that. For eyeshadow, I'm gonna use the Supreme Nudes Matte Masterpiece Artist Couture. Looks like that. A fluffy brush with this shade right here. And just kind of blend that all over my lid. We're doing a really soft, natural glam look. You know me, I'm not a huge eye makeup person. So just a little bit. I've been playing with a little bit more of these like cooler colors with the dark hair. I feel like it just looks really nice. And then I'm going to smudge this brown right here called Exquisite right on the lash line. And then lastly, I'm gonna take this beautiful like rosy pearly color. It's the Rendezvous iPods collection, and this is in the color Bisou. This flat shader brush by Westman Atelier, and just like really get in there. And then just sweep it right on the eyelid to add some nice shimmer. And this is like my super basic, soft glam look. And this look might be like more natural to people, but this is my soft glam. Obsessed. For finishing up the lashes, we're gonna give a curl. And my lashes have been so nice since I've been continuously and regularly using my Age Nature Lash and Brow Serum. This stuff is incredible. I also just started using this Obagi Medical Nucil Eye Enhancing Serum just along the lash line. So I've been leveling up my lash game, making sure that those stay healthy and nourished as well. So just do a couple pumps. And then the classic Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. This stuff is honestly the absolute best. And I kind of just like blink this through my lashes to keep it super natural. I want to enhance the glow and pink of this, so I'm going to use NARS Orgasm. And just do like a little bit of tapping right on the cheekbones. And then bring it to the apples. And I kind of bring it like up into here. And then for some highlight, this has been my favorite. It's the Tata Harper Cream Highlighter in Flashy. So stinking stunning. I'm just gonna tap that right on the high points of my cheekbones. A little bit above the brow just to give that little highlight. Right on the tip of my nose. This looks so stinking cute. And on the Cupid's bow. Now because I did a bit of a body tanner, I've been using the Salty Phase. Hold on, let me show you. This has been my self-tan routine, the Salty Phase tanning foam in the light to medium shade, and then the tanning water for face in light to medium. This gives your skin the most beautiful glow. Like when I was looking at my skin in Pilates, I was like, whoa, like I look so naturally subtly tan, like not too dark. If you're not someone who likes a really dark tan because you lean quite fair, these are wonderful. So I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer. This is La Bouche Rouge, and this shade, I think is the lightest. It doesn't actually have anything on it that says what it is, but I'm just gonna take this brush, tap it really lightly, and just dust that where the sun would naturally hit me. So like kind of on my forehead, temples, a little bit down and around the nose. And I'm ever so slightly just going to do like that 1/2-3 shape. So super light and natural. The final step to this routine is lips, and I have been obsessing with the Farrah Hamidi lip smudge and contour lip pencil in Nude, and I think it's because I've never found a lip liner that so perfectly matches my lip shade. It's crazy. I find some just turn out to be like a little bit too mauve or brown for me, but this one is elite. And I'm just lining and just lining it along the natural outline of my lips, makes them look so plumpy. And then because I used this balm before, my lips already are super hydrated, but I'm just gonna add a little bit more. And then when I'm out throughout the day, I use the Ilia lip wrap, and that one's also incredible. Here is my completed makeup look. This is giving me the Blair Waldorf vibes, but just like a really natural glowy makeup and a little bit of a soft glam. I think this looks stunning with the brown hair. I'm really obsessed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.